the video don't do my chairs justice. So I'm gonna try to leave the link of everything in the description box down below. So if you guys have something that you like in this video and you would like to order them, so I will be happy to leave the link for you guys. So I got my lamp that I purchased from Home Goods. This lamp is so beautiful. It's very beautiful. And when I went there, they had so many Christmas plate and stuff. So I wanted to get ready for Christmas, and I go ahead and purchase some of those plate. They're so beautiful, guys. They're so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's a red and gold. It's so beautiful.
We're spending time. If we play our cards right, we'll be.
Okay, there was a lot of thing going on, so I couldn't unbox everything honestly, because this is a chandelier that I purchased online on Amazon. This chandelier gonna go in the dining room, so I'm gonna do another video where I can show you in depth like everything. It's just like this video I wanted to do it for the living room, because I do my patio, my kitchen, everywhere, my room, and everything, guys. So stay tuned because I got a lot of video coming. So I'm gonna leave everything that I purchased in the link down below. So this curtain I ordered on Amazon, so gorgeous. It's a gray and silver. Oh my god, beautiful. This napkin I ordered from Amazon, but I saw the picture on Pinterest. It was so beautiful, so I said I have to have it, so I ordered it. But for some reason, the doesn't do the thing justice. Okay, guys. Okay, this vase I bought it at Burlington. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it. It's a gray and silver. There's a lot going on it. And this one from Home Goods, I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I like it, so I said I'm gonna take it. I'll find a home for it. Those are my dining chair covers that I ordered on Amazon. So they're basically almost the same colors all my chairs, but I just wanted a seat cover for them to prevent my kid from dirtying my chairs. So those things, that's something I ordered on Overstock. They're so pretty. I like them. So they're like some soup bowls. They're pretty. And my favorite thing is 7 Rules of Life. This thing I purchased it for my son to put it in his bedroom. Well, this one is a chandelier that I ordered for my bedroom. It's come from Overstock. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link of everything in the description box down below. So it's beautiful. I like it, and I'm gonna make another video. You guys can see everything. Well, I'm the one that painted my living room, and I want to say big thank you to Bernard, because he's the one that gave me the idea on how I should paint it. the white and the gray, like those design going on. So everything was his idea because he told me if I put the white and the gray, gonna bring the chair out more. And I think it turns out really nice. And thank you so much. I want to say a big thank you to my boys because they the one that helped me. They stand by me. They help me a lot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let the music play. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. And please stay till the end of the video so you can see how beautiful is my living room. So everything, I don't have everything here yet because there's some stuff that I ordered. I haven't got them yet, but I still wanted to like clean the area.
dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you. So good in the morning light, reflections in my mind. Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past. But every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile.
Okay, guys, that's the finished look, and I'm still waiting on my sideboard, my fireplace, and my TV. So to me, it's really beautiful, even I don't have all the stuff that I needed. So give me a thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Till the next time.
I was wrong